This is DOOGEE X95, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can check how much internal storage you have on this device. So to start, you will need to open Settings, and from here, once the app gets launched and loaded, find and enter the storage category. And at the storage page, you can see how much memory you have in total, what particular part of it is being currently in use, or well, how much of it is being currently used. Thus, you can see also how much of it is free. And then you can also check what exactly is that occupies your storage. So in my case, for example, 4.3 gigabytes of storage is occupied by system, then, 500 megabytes or 0.5 gigabytes is occupied by, are occupied by other apps, and so on. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.